That's a bit interesting. Window cleaner there.
How we doing, Pete?
Window cleaner.
Hi Adrian. Were your ears burning last night? We were talking about you. We were talking about you last night.
About me?
Yeah.
What have I done now?
Oh, really? Your Upfield is one of the best exhibitions. Oh, yeah.
Not to be jolly, it's a jolly show.
No, it
I was going to say, the whole ethos of the show is to have a social weekend.
is.